Hello everyone, today here I am with Ognjen Ilić, my friend from cycling club Belgrade Partizan, and this is his Scott Addict RC from 2010. This is my Scott Addict RC from 2010. This is my bike for training and races. Frame size is 56 L size. Right now, since I am in training camp, rear wheel is not Durace like front, it's Ultegra. Everything else is like for races. Whole group is Shimano Ultegra, except real delayer and the chain and the wheels, of course. Everything other is Ricci World Champion Series. Stem is 130 millimeters. Handlebar width 44. I like the shape of Physic wing flex. Seat height is 81 centimeters, and this is integrated seat post. I have this bike from 2015, but I ride it full time from 2016. So far my biggest results with this bike is second place on national championship and some wins on Serbian Cup races. I rode this bike on last World and European Championships. From this year I ride in under 23 category, and I hope for other success. In the race setup, with Durace wheels and everything, the weight is 7 kilograms and 50 grams. If you enjoyed this video, you can like, share and subscribe.